Well students, topic of the video is area. In this video discuss area of the ellipse x square by 9 pi y square by 4 equals to 1 in first quadrant. So here x square by 9 can be written as x square by 3 square and y square by 2 square equals to 1. This is equation 1, and diagram of this part is this is x axis and this one is y axis. This is ellipse, and coordinate of this part is 3, 0. This is endpoint of one major axis and this is endpoint of one minor axis, 0, 2. Here 3 is greater than 2, so denominator part of x square is positive, so major axis lies in x axis. And here given in the first quadrant, so first quadrant is the shaded region is this one. So this point is 0, 0. This is O, this is A, this is R portion P, and this one is B. So from this part we can find area of this diagram or this shaded region by two way. One is by y dx and the other one is x dy. For y dx, it is bounded by x axis, so area of the portion is 0 to 3 y dx. So here we have to find y. For 1 implies y square by 2 square equals to 1 minus x square by 3 square, and y equals to 2 by 3 square root of 3 square minus x square. So here y dx, so y is replaced by 0 to 3, 2 by 3 square root of 3 square minus x square dx. So integration of this one is, we have to use the formula root over a square minus x square dx is equals to x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. By using this formula, here a is 3, so integration is x by 2 square root of a square means 3 square minus x square plus a square by 2, that means 3 square by 2 sine inverse x by 3 in the interval 0 to 3. So by putting upper interval, x is replaced by 3, 3 by 2 root over 3 square minus 3 square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 3, and by putting lower interval minus 0 by 2 root over 3 square minus 0 square plus in the part is minus 3 square by 2 sine inverse 0 by 3. So this one becomes 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, 3 square minus 3 square is 0, so this one is 0, 3 by 2 into 0, this one is 9 by 2 into sine inverse 1, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, and this one is 0, this one is also 0, so finally it becomes 2 by 3 into 9 by 2 into pi by 2, or by cancellation it becomes 3 pi by 2. Actually this one is square units. For MCQ type of this sum, we can solve the part by using this formula. Now students, see that if the equation of ellipse is x square y square plus y square by b square equals to 1, then area of total region is pi a b square unit. And for in the first quadrant, this one becomes pi ab by 4. Here a is 3 and b is 2, a 3 and b 2. So for this ellipse, this one becomes pi into 3 into 2 into by 4. By cancellation, this one becomes 3 pi by 2. Now this answer and this answer is same. We can find all I can also this one, but this one only for MCQ type. And if the area is given that in the not in the first quadrant, in the bounded by x-axis, then we have to find this one region also. So this part changes from this point is minus 3 to 3 y dx. So this one becomes minus 3 to 3. This is even function. So 2 into 0 to 3, 2 by 3 root over 3 square minus x square dx. By using same formula, this one equals to 4 by 3 x by 2 root over 3 square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by 3 in the interval 0 to 3. This one becomes 4 by 3 and 3 by 2 root over 3 square minus 3 square plus 3 square by 2 sin inverse 3 by 3 minus 0 by 2 root over 3 square minus 0 square minus 3 square by 2 sin inverse 0 by 3. So this one equals, this one is 0, this one is 0, this one is also 0. So 4 by 3 into 3 square by 2 sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. This one is sin is 1, so pi by 2. So 2 cancel, 4 cancel each other, and this one is 3 pi. By using this formula, this one is pi ab total area of the ellipse. So for this part, this upper part or lower part, any one can be taken. So pi ab by 2. By this form, by this part, pi into 3 into 2 into by 2. By cancel, this one is 3 pi square units. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums.